Hey everybody, I am back. Finally, I have my nail room up enough to where I can record videos. So I'm very excited to record this Wild West themed mani from the new Mani by Me box for August. Love this look. This is what we're doing because I love it. I think it's adorable. This color Lasso is stunning. It's unlike any other color I have in my normal polish collection or my stamping polish collection. Saddle Up is a little basic cream. It's very pretty. It's kind of like a burnt sienna color, but I want to talk about Lasso. It's yellow, like this yellowy gold. That's a duochrome that shifts into like this pinkish coppery color. Look at it over this black. It's beautiful. Absolutely stunning. And this one's fine. I mean, it's great. It's a crim polish. It stamps nicely and it shows up over black. It's really good, but Lasso to me is the standout in this box. It is absolutely gorgeous. It is perfect with fall coming up. Like, I'm going to put that one in a must-have list. If you don't have it, you need to get it. Even if you don't buy Maniology boxes, pick up that color later when they release it because it's absolutely unique and beautiful. Look at them. These are side by side. Tell me this doesn't scream fall. I know it's a Wild West theme, but this is definitely fall. And that shift over the black, oh, perfect. I have used this polish ever since I've started my channel. Don't recommend it anymore. I think there's something different about the formula either with this or with Maniology or something going on because I can't get it to work without smudging. These are the rest of the colors that we're going to use in the box. So as we do this manicure later on, I just want to give you a heads up, guys. There's some flubs in this. It's been a while since I've recorded. I had some lighting problems. Had to readjust my camera because some settings got bumped and craziness. So it's not the best video I've ever done, but we've got it done. And I have quite a few more already filmed and ready to go. So we are very excited to get this going again. Loving these plates. Love them. For me, when I can look at a Mani by Me box and go, I can do 10 different manicures with that, 5 to 10, I consider it a great box. This may be one of my favorites of the year, particularly for this plate. I mean, who doesn't want to put badass on their nails? It's a donkey. It's an ass. I love it. I think that's only the second time I've ever said a bad word, quote unquote bad word on my channel. But come on, it says badass and it's a donkey. It's awesome. This plate is what we're going to use for the manicure though. This is the one in the design. By the way, the cow print on the last one, the handkerchief on the last one. Love them all. They're adorable. There are so many designs on this. This may be my favorite box of the year. I think I might have said that about the last one or the one before that too. Can't remember off the top of my head. But this may be my favorite for the year. I'm also changing up some things I'm doing on my videos. We're not painting all the nails anymore. I'm going to paint one to show you the color or the technique and then do the rest of them unless it's a Mani that has a bunch of different designs. So don't have to skip through that stuff anymore. It won't be there. We're just going to show the colors. This is Skin Deep. It's one of my personal favorites. Look how well that matches my skin. I mean, there's just, there's nothing else to say about it. It matches perfect. It's a beautiful color. It stamps nice. It's great for a skin tone for my tone skin. Love it. If you're darker toned, boba, like if you're really, really dark skinned, latte is a good one for someone who's a little bit lighter but still a medium dark skin. There's another one in my brain's just not thinking of it. I don't know. There's 3 or 4 that are great for darker skins as well. That is kind of the lightest skin tone-ish colored one in Maniology's range, so that's something to think about. If you are super, super white, this is going to look a little more beigey pink on you. I'm kind of a light medium, and then in the summer I can get medium to pretty golden medium colored. So it just kind of depends. What we're doing here. This is layered stamping. This is what I would also call a layered stamping or a double stamp or triple stamp. There's a lot of this that I cut off on the orange layers. I'm sorry. And I forgot to film the next layer. Nah. But you'll be able to see it at the end. Again, I'm out of practice. It's been a minute. we're just kind of going through and using these little canyon shapes around the outside edges of the nail, but higher up towards the cuticle. What it's really doing is creating a depth for you so that you have a distance near and far, like Sesame Street, near, far. That's what we're doing with these. So as you can see, as it gets darker, it's closer to the tip of the nail, so it looks closer to you, and it starts pushing those other colors kind of into a background. This is something you would learn if you watch Bob Ross. This is how Bob Ross does his kind of paintings. Love me some Bob Ross. So I'm just going through, and you go just lighter to dark and bring it forward. It doesn't matter how you place them. It doesn't matter where the humps are, any of that stuff. This is very forgiving. Do it how you want. Who's going to tell you it's wrong? Who's going to look at this and go, oh, you didn't put that color in the right place? Nobody will know. In the words of the TikTok clip, no one will know. Just do what you want. It's fun. And very forgiving. Very forgiving. So if you're new to stamping, if you're new to layered stamping, try this out with this plate. It's a lot easier than it looks. You can do different colors. You could do this with ocean waves, you know, making them gradiate forward to make them darker to light, like there's foam coming in off the ocean. It's a great technique for a lot of this stuff. You could use this for underwater stuff too. Ooh. See, the more I look at these plates, the more that stuff comes up. I really like these. Really like this technique. Really like the final look on this. Really and truthfully, the more I think about it, this probably is my favorite box of the year, which is unusual because as we start to kind of get towards fall, usually the fall stuff from Maniology is kind of hit and miss for me, but this one I love. And there were some plates last year that were Maniology themed that were the stones, and those had a lot of southwestern stuff on it, like the macrame or cattle skulls and that kind of stuff. The thing I like about this is while it also has western stuff on it, some of it could be very southernish. The y'all, we don't really howdy in my neck of the woods, but we definitely y'all. And those are layered too, so you could put down one color and then make it look like rope on top of it. They're cute. And the bandana thing, I always loved that. Oddly enough, reminds me of my mom. She used to put a bandana on to pull her hair back, that whole 70s adult thing where they would put the little handkerchiefs on their hair and tuck it behind their ears. Super cute. I'm going to put all the final touches on it in top coat and look at it. It's absolutely gorgeous. You could put as many little details on there as you wanted or as many as you don't. Tell me what you think about this, and keep an eye out because I definitely have more videos coming this week. I'm back in the saddle, babies. Talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.